Good afternoon, friends. Now, continuing the topic of application of congruency, let us prove in this video that in a rhombus, the diagonals are perpendicular to each other. That is, since what is given to us that ABCD is a rhombus, and what we have to prove that AC is perpendicular to the other diagonal, that is BD. Okay, this is what we have to prove. Now, you don't need to worry about these quadrilaterals such as parallelogram, rhombus, the trapezoid, because we will be dealing all these quadrilaterals in great depth when I'll be delivering videos on quadrilateral. But as of now, you just need to know little things such as that rhombus, some of the properties related with rhombus. Now we know that rhombus is a parallelogram. So all the properties of parallelogram will be applicable to rhombus. Okay. Since rhombus is a parallelogram, therefore this will be parallel to this. This will be parallel to this. Okay. Now from our previous videos, we also know that the opposite pairs in a parallelogram are equal, but in rhombus all the sides are equal. Okay. So this side is equal to this side. This side is equal to that side is equal to this side. Okay, so all the four sides are equal. Now, since ABCD is a parallelogram, because each rhombus is also a parallelogram. So, from the properties of parallelogram, we know that the diagonals in a parallelogram, they bisect each other. Therefore, this will be equal to, let us give it double slash, equal to this. And this will be equal to this. Now, this is the basic, these are the basic information that we know about parallelogram. What we have to prove that in a rhombus, AC is perpendicular to BD. Okay, this is what we have to prove. Now, that is not a very hard proof, because if you look at the triangle AEB, and if you look at the side CEB, if you look at triangle AEB, this is AEB, and you look at the triangle CEB, then from this side is congruent to this side. Okay. This side is congruent to this side, and this side is a common side. So by SSS we can clearly say that these two triangles are congruent. अगर ये दोनों triangle congruent होंगे, then their corresponding angles will also be congruent. So angle AEB will be congruent to angle CEB. Why? Because these two are corresponding angles of congruent triangles. Therefore this angle will be equal to this angle. अगर ये angle single curve है, तो this angle will be equal to this angle. Why? Because they are vertically opposite angles. Similarly, this angle will be equal to this angle. Therefore all these four angles will be equal, and we know that the sum of these four angles is 360 degrees. So therefore each of this angle will be, now if this is x, then this is also x, this is x, this is x. So 4x is equals to 360 degree. Therefore x is equals to 90 degree. Hence each of this angle is 90 degree. So this is 90, this is 90, this is 90, this is 90. So we can now say that in a rhombus, not only the diagonals, they bisect each other, but they are also perpendicular to each other. Therefore, the diagonals are each diagonal is a perpendicular bisector of other diagonal. Okay, in a rhombus, each diagonal is a perpendicular bisector of another diagonal. So now let's find out the area of this diagonal. Let's find out the area of the diagonal ABCD. Okay, this is equals to half. We know the area of a triangle is half base into height, and there are basically two triangles, triangle ABC and triangle ADC. So the area of the triangle ABC, now let me first rub it. Let me first rub it so that I can give you a proper visual. No, let me also rub it. So what we have proved that these two diagonals bisect each other and they're also perpendicular. This is perpendicular, this is perpendicular. Now if we have to find out the area of ABCD, then it will be area of half ABC. This is ABC plus ADC. This will be entire area of ABCD. And we know that the area of ABC is half base into height. What is base? AC. And what is the height? Since this is BE, I mean, let's call this point of intersection as E, then it is the perpendicular dropped from the side AC. So ये BE हो जाएगा. This is BE. Similarly, area of triangle ADC क्या हो जाएगा? Half base again AC. And what is the height? DE. Because we know that area of a triangle is half base into height. Height is what? A perpendicular drop from the base. So DE is certainly the altitude drop to the base AC. So if you take AC as common, and BE plus DE, this is equals to half AC. And what is BE plus DE? It is BD. Therefore, area of a rhombus is the half of the product of the diagonals AC and BD. Okay, so this is the area of a diagonal. Okay, so that's it for today's video. We will see some more important concepts in the next videos. Okay, thank you.